Okay, so you have seen the simulator, and I want to show you the real-life version. You can see here a Tello drone with a range deck. The range deck is the lidars as in the simulator. It have a front, up, back, right, left, and down lidars that show its distance to each direction. This drone is autonomous version of the simulator drone flying in real life, and all the code written here was tested at first in the simulator. That shows you how important the simulator can be and how fast it can increase your progress. First, the drone takes off. Then it finds the right wall and starts flying, by keeping a fixed distance from the right. Now the drone sees the wall, so it's rotating around the corners and still maintains the desired fixed distance. Now the situation is a bit more complicated because it's like a tunnel, but the drone handles that. Of course, that is by choosing the right wall all the times. The drone can solve almost any maze. Now the drone rotates. As you can see, it is scanning the area and choosing the area with no obstacles. Even stairs are not a problem for our drone. You can see the drone keeps advancing close to the right wall and going up the stairs. Now we have an optical flow issue and the drone wants to come back home, but I stop him with my body so it's continuing. Now the drone finally found the right wall and it is coming to fly by itself. As you can see, by flying in the right wall, the drone can do a lot with a very simple algorithm.